What's up, everybody? Check it out. Look, y'all know I like having a smart home, man. I love having a smart home. I like telling my house to just do stuff, and then my house just does it, whether it's turn on the lights, turn the AC up or down, or whatever it may be. I just need it to happen when I want it to happen through my voice, because I'm lazy like that. I might work in fitness, but I'm kind of lazy. Anyways, I wanted to show y'all some new Wi-Fi smart sockets, man. Check this out. So they come in a pack of 4. It's like $45 or $47 for a pack of 4. That is brilliant pricing. I will tell you, I purchased at Home Depot the ones that you actually install into your existing, actually you replace your existing wall socket, the dual wall socket. Those are like, I want to say about 45 bucks, but you can get 4 of these bad boys. Let me open this one up. 4 of these bad boys where you plug into your existing wall socket for 45 bucks. So you get 1 for 45 bucks or you get 4 for 45 bucks. You choose. So this one's a pretty small form factor. Some of the other ones I've seen are actually pretty huge. It has one single power button on the side, and then all the gadgetry is built in on the inside. You got some certifications here and stuff, all kinds of specs on the back of this. There's no, oh yeah, there are instructions in the box. You get a set of instructions, which I don't need this time around because I've actually emptied out this box and it's downstairs firing up my office. Hey Google, light up the office. So let's just kick that to the side. We'll pull these 2 out and I'll go ahead and set them up as you watch me. It's pretty easy to set up. All you gotta do is download the, what app is this? Let me see. It is the Smart Life app. So I've already downloaded mine, obviously, and then you open it up and then you hit a little plus button up here. But before you do that, you're gonna need some power. So you plug this bad boy into the wall and then you hit the plus button on the app, and then it'll run you through some simple instructions. You plug in your password for your Wi-Fi and bam, you are all set to go. It is just that easy. It also works with Google Home and Amazon Echo devices. So in order to hook this up to your Google Home, you go into the settings and then you go to home control, and then you have to hit the plus button because you're adding something, right? You go down, you scroll all the way down until you hit the Smart Life app. You hit that Smart Life app, then follow all the instructions, and bam, you're good to go again. It's just that easy, man. If you're messing this up or you can't get it, just try again, but make sure you're following the instructions properly because this thing is so easy to set up. Then you're all set to go. You can put this bad boy pretty much anywhere in your house. I wouldn't power up a toaster or a toaster oven or anything with it, but as far as a light or air freshener or, you know, just light duty devices, I say it's 100% win, especially at the price point. Now I get it, some people don't want Skynet all up in their house like that, but me, I'm all about that hashtag smart life. Anyways, I ain't claiming to be no expert in this kind of stuff. I just like having a smart home because I'm lazy. Now before I get out of here, y'all make sure you tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Turn off Just Doing Life headquarters.